What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to be showing you a really simple method for doing affiliate marketing, and in this method you're going to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing without doing any of the work. And then later on in the video I'm going to be showing you where you can get the actual traffic to promote these offers. So this is going to be a full course on affiliate marketing using the simple method that nobody else is talking about. So pay attention very carefully to this method, because you can go out and you can apply it to anything that you want. ClickBank, Max Bounty, Amazon affiliate, you name it, you can apply this method. All right. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to think about a niche that you want to promote. Okay. So this niche could be just about anything. So for instance, I have here headphones review table. Okay. So my niche is going to be headphones. Okay. You can think about any niche that you want. Doesn't really matter. You can promote baby strollers. You can promote laptops. You can promote tables. Any kind of niche. If it has a category on Amazon, you can promote it. So for instance, if I type headphones review table, and the other important thing is I'm looking for a review table. Okay, I'm not going to type just headphones. Okay, I can do a comparison graph. That's also a good idea. But what I'm doing is I'm doing a headphones review table query because I'm looking for a specific type of content, which I'm going to show you in a second. So if I type this query, I have a lot of these results, and all of these results are going to be really good. And here I have an article on the page that's perfect for what I'm about to do. Okay, so here I have headphones and I have a table that I can use, right? And this is a very powerful table because I can filter by brand, I can filter by principal. We are not going to be using these filters in this video. What we want is we want the table, okay? We are looking at a table and this is perfect for us, okay? The next thing that you want to do is you're going to go out, you're going to go to Google and you're going to search for copy tables Chrome. This is a very powerful plugin that's absolutely free. And you can get it by executing this query and by going to the first result. Now, I already have it installed. Once you install it, you're going to go back to this table. You can even use the same table that I have here. If you don't know what niche to look for, you can use this query here. And so you're going to go to a table such as this one. It could be another table. It could be this table that you're looking at right now. You're going to right click. You're going to go into table. This is that plugin that you installed. You're going to go into copy and you're going to copy as CSV. Okay, you're going to pick this option as CSV. Now you've copied the whole table into your computer's clipboard. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Sheets and you want to create a brand new Google Sheet. Very important, right? Everybody has Google Sheets. It's 100% free. I have here a brand new Google Sheet that I created. You're going to call it headphones, okay? Whatever niche you picked, okay? The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to paste it. You're going to press Command V or Control V, and you're going to paste it here. Once you pasted it, you're going to be looking at a spreadsheet that looks roughly like I have one here. Now, the problem with the spreadsheet is that everything that we have pasted is pasted just in this column. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to select this whole column, this whole thing right here, all the text. You want to go into data and you want to select split text to columns. Once you do that, you have a really nice spreadsheet here, right? You can even select it. You can double click here and you are going to have a really nice spreadsheet. You're going to have all the rows and all the columns nicely formatted, which is something that we got from this table here, from this piece of content here. Now, we are done with Google Sheets, okay? The next thing that you want to do is you want to Google for a very helpful website called SpreadSimple. You're going to Google and you're going to go to the first result. You can simply open it up. They have a very generous free plan. You do not need to pay any money to start using the service. And SpreadSimple is a blazing fast way to create and manage websites. You can create a website, an amazing website, a high quality website very quickly. So you're going to go in here. I already have it here. And so I'm logged into my SpreadSimple right now. I already have it here. You're going to click on plus and you're going to create a new website. Now it's telling you paste Google Sheet link here. You're going to go here. You're going to go to headphones. You're going to pick this link, right? The URL that you have in the browser. You're going to copy that. You're going to go in here and you're going to press continue. And once you press continue, you can start building your brand new website using the content that's in Google Sheets, which makes it super, super easy to create. So take a look at this one. We have here a website, right? And here is the content, right? So it's basically asking us for title, subtitle, price, text, a lot of these things. We can change the source sheet. You can change anything that you want. You can change the design. You can change the theme. Look at this. I can change the background color. I can make it, dark blue. I can make it light blue. I can make it something like this. Doesn't really matter. I can change the theme by clicking here, and I can make it darker or lighter. I can change the header, the footer. I'm going to get back to that in a second. The most important thing is the content. Okay, it's asking us for the title. The title, you can pick any of the columns. Remember, guys, these are columns here, right? That is why, you're using that plugin to copy the content, because we have these columns. And so when you're going to be building this website, it's going to take you a couple of seconds. It's asking you for title. We are going to pick for brand. Okay, now you have it automatically populated. Next, subtitle. We're going to pick model, right? So we have brand and we have model. Price. We have our price, right? We have our price. Text. We have overall, we have summary. How about summary? There you go. Summary. Image. We also have an image. I don't believe we have an image. We do not have an image. But if you had an image, if the website that you're looking for had an image, or you can add images to your Google Sheet, then you would select it right here. Next, you have specifications. You have all this stuff. Now, you have to understand that, all of these things are optional. I would just recommend selecting these ones here, and that's all you really need to do. Then you can add a button, right? You can actually add a button. You can add a link button, a buy button. And so the button that's going to be is going to be linked to your affiliate link. So you're going to go back to headphones and you're going to add another column, right? So I'm going to double click on it. It expands it, and I'm going to call this URL. And this is going to be your affiliate link wherever you're selling this product. So if you want to, use this method here, you can promote it using Amazon affiliate program, because all of this stuff, all of the headphones, stuff like that is going to be selling on Amazon's marketplace. So rest assured you can promote it. So let's say I have a URL here, right? So let's say I have a dummy URL, news.com, which is, a URL that I use when I need a dummy URL. We're going to copy all of this. Now we have the URL. This is going to be the affiliate link. We're going to go back to this website here. And then all you have to do is you have to click on this button to refresh Google Sheet data. You're going to refresh it. Now we have the link. And this is how you modify your content. You're going to go back here. You're going to add a button here. You're going to choose, you're going to say buy. And you're going to go in here. You're going to scroll down and you're going to pick URL, apply. And now you have a buy button. That's going to redirect to your affiliate link, which is amazing. Now, you have a lot of options here. You have pagination you can enable sorting, filters. Take a look at this one. We can filter by rank, by brand. So when they're browsing, they can actually go to rank. They can, by brand, actually, we don't need the rank. We can do brand and model. So they can filter it by brand and model, automatically created for you. Look how beautiful that is. And we also have a checkout. You don't really need the checkout. We have settings. You can modify this if you want. You have page links. You can add more pages. There's various add-ons, all of these amazing things. But the most important thing here is the content, this content tab, right? We also have the design here. You can modify. You can show header here. What are you looking for? You can upload the logo. You can make it transparent. Let's say it's a solid. You can upload a logo. And here's our header tagline here, right? We can enter that. Once we get out, we're gonna have our header tagline. We also have the footer, homepage intro. You can select to show it here, bring ideas to life. Look at this one. We have our header tagline here, and we have our bring ideas to life. We have a cover image. You can change the layout that you want. You can make it a little bit bigger. You can make it a little bit more compact. You also have homepage content. You can put some description here, whatever. This site has, this site reviews the best headphones in 2020, something like this. And you can add more content. You have all these options here. So it's very, very customizable. If you're going to be using an image, then you don't really need a header tagline. So you can actually remove it. you can do something like this, and you no longer have a header, but you're going to have this content. And the next thing that you want to do after you're done, you can also call this website something. You can click on this and you can say headphone reviews, okay, in 2021 or something like this, right? 2021. And then you can click on publish, and then you can publish it, right? You can even connect it to your domain. Website has been published. You're going to open it up, and now you have a website that's live. Now, you can modify it, you can add more content, you can do amazing things. And now you have a website, and now you can go out and promote it, right? You can promote this content. And every time somebody clicks on it and purchases the product that you're promoting, such as headphones in this case, you're going to be getting a commission. That is called affiliate marketing. And it took me like 5 minutes to actually create this website. Now, you may be asking yourself, where can I promote it, James? Where can I go out and promote this content? Where can I get the traffic for it? Okay, you can get paid traffic by running Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, Microsoft ads, Quora ads, etc., etc. But one of the best ways to promote it is using free traffic, okay? So how do you get free traffic? Very, very simple. The number one place that you can promote this site is if you go into Google and you can type headphone forums, okay? You can type headphone forums. And look at this. We have head-fi, org forums, headphone reviews and discussion, headphone community, all of these forums. This is where people are looking for headphone recommendations. So you can go out and you can start a conversation. You can say, hey there, I noticed you're looking for various headphones. Do you want, a higher price? Do you want lower price? Do you want more luxury? Do you want more economical variants? It depends what you want. And then you can, and I actually created a website whose purpose is to help you out, to help you decide on the headphones that is going to be right for you, right for your purpose, right for your application. You can do that. The next thing you can do is you can go on Facebook. Facebook has a lot of communities. It has a lot of forums. You can just go to groups, right? Facebook groups. You can go in there. You can also go on Twitter. Any social media channel is free traffic, okay? And also, guys, you have to understand that the website you created, right? If you go back to this website here, this is going to be getting SEO traffic, right? If you go into settings, we have SEO settings here. We have meta description. We have all of these things that you can configure, and you will be able to get traffic. But you have to understand that Google is going to be indexing your website, and you're going to be getting free traffic anyway, okay? But that's not enough. You still have to go out and promote it. So you have forums, headphone forums. You have music forums, right? If you go into music forum, musicians, they need headphones. Podcast forums, right? You guys got to think outside the box, right? Headphones is a very generic product. Everybody needs, right? People who make YouTube videos need it. People who create podcasts need it. People who are, DJing or recording music, they need headphones. People that are working out, they need headphones, right? Headphones are for everybody, right? You just have to find that specific niche, and you can go out. So we have podcasts. We can also have sport headphones forums, right? Something like this. And you sport headphones. Runner's World. What are the best running headphones? Wireless earbuds. Which headphones for running, etc., etc. You will be able to sell it if you find the right niche. You can go on Facebook groups. You can go on Twitter. You can just search on Twitter, and you can find people that are actually asking for headphones. So the world is your oyster. There's so many places that you can promote it. But the most important thing is that now you have a website, right? And you can use this theme here. You can change the content. You can go back. Let's say you want to create a new column here. Let's say this is going to be an image, right? And then you're going to have the URLs to the images, right? The URLs to the images. So all you have to do, right? So you have maybe this is the first URL to the image, and then you have other URLs to images, right? What you have to do is you're going to go back to the site. You're going to click this, and you're going to refresh it. And now you can go pick a column for the images, right? You can click on this, and now you have an image column. And as you can see, if this was an image, which it isn't because it's a link to a URL, but if this was an image, then it would show up the image that was pulled from Google Sheets. So adding images, you have space, you have all of these things that you can configure and create a high quality site. You also have pagination in case you have a lot of products that do not fit on a single page. All right, guys. So this is the method I wanted to show you today. Very, very simple method that every one of you regardless if you're a beginner, intermediate, advanced, regardless if you're already doing affiliate marketing, if you're doing CPA, traditional affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing, doesn't really matter. All of you should go out and create this site because it's free and it takes like 5 to 10 minutes to do. All right, guys, so I really hope you've gotten value here. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, you have any concerns. I would be happy to help you out as much as I can. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button so that I can create more of these amazing videos that not a lot of people know about, okay? If you are not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This channel is all about affiliate marketing 24/7 with various methods to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. All right, guys, so I really hope you've gotten value here. Let me know in the comments section below what you thought about this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.